The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker, a satire, Part 11. Ahem. Let me clear my throat before I start. Well. Look who we have here. The esteemed Anton Primal, the self-proclaimed referee critic. Now, I don't want to say that Anton's opinion is always wrong, but let's face it, every time he opens his mouth to criticize the new referee, Steve's authority, I can't help but roll my eyes. I mean, let's be honest here, folks. Steve's authority is just a mere puppet. The real boss of the game is none other than Mike, Chief Executive Officer. Yes, you heard that right. Mike is the one who calls the shots, not Steve. So, all this fuss about Steve's referee skills is just a waste of time. But let's get back to the game, shall we? The employers are running with the ball, and Anton is just standing there, trying to catch up. Poor Anton. He's like a dinosaur trying to catch a bird. The scene is reminiscent of the revolving door at the company entrance. Workers coming and going, and Anton's left behind, looking like a lost puppy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why does Anton even bother playing rugby? Well, my dear friends, the answer is simple. Anton just wants to bully the employees. He gets a kick out of it. It's like watching a lion hunt its prey, only less exciting. And finally, let's not forget about our dear Neanderthal friend who's attending art school. Why? You ask. Well, he wants to draw his family tree, of course. I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? It's not like he has anything better to do, right?